Alright guys, welcome back to Cardboard Quest, and today we're going to stay in our own lane today and we're going to go back to hockey. So this is going to make a lot more better content than baseball where we were just all over the place. So today, more better, is that what I said? More better? More better. So, alright, we're going to go with the newest product on the shelf, Upper Deck MVP 2019-2020, which is always, the first product of the season, usually every year. Gold scripts, silver scripts. This year, the throwback retro silver scripts are the 1999-2000 Stanley Cup edition, which I like a lot. It has a story to it because I'll explain when we open these up if we pull one. So, 21 packs, 5 cards per pack. I'm going to split this blaster with my wife, so let's go ahead and crack it open here. The old dusty, as long as I don't cut my hand open. Alright. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I'll take the 10, you take the 11. There you go.
Just go first since you're right there.
Huh?
Why don't you just go first since you're right there?
Well, here, I'll give you the 11.
Almost did it up here. I don't know what I'm doing.
Let's move everything out of your way here.
Nugent Hopkins, isn't that why you say it? I've only heard you say that. That's the only reason I get
Nugent
that.
Hopkins.
Aaron Ekblad. What is that?
See,
oh, Pacioretty.
See, that's what whenever I jacked my arm up and I was in the hospital as a kid, I forget, my aunt or my mom bought me a box of that from 99-2000 that had the guys from that era. So the throwbacks of this year look really cool to me because they look like, that reminds me of getting a box of that stuff. See, it looks like the 99-2000 Stanley Cup.
Oh,
edition
how
MVP.
nice. You remember that. It's the bright side of you almost dying.
Yeah, exactly. If I'm almost losing my arm. So,
John Gibson.
look at that. 2 Pittsburgh boys. John Gibson's from Munhall and Trocheck's from Pittsburgh.
Oh, I was like,
also.
they're not on the Penguins.
No,
What do you mean?
no, they're from here. Right off the bat, the Stanley Cup edition, of course.
Aw, son of a bitch.
With the guy you can't stand.
I hate him. Why? I have no
Oh,
idea.
well, look at the front. See there, that
But-
makes you happy.
There. My new favoritist
Your
Penguins
new
player.
favorite's Patrick Hornquist, though.
Yeah, he was my number 2, and now
Yeah.
Kessel left, so this is who I'm left with.
This is what happens.
Braden Opie.
Oh, that's a puzzle back.
What does that even mean?
See, the puzzle, it makes a puzzle if you find them all.
Oh.
See, so the other side's Carey Price, and then what's that side? Niederreiter.
Why wouldn't you have it be the person who it is?
What are you gonna make it? No, they're all okay. That's card 104 in the set.
Oh, in a row.
Yeah,
Oh,
they're like
okay.
this, but they're changed for the puzzle box.
Okay.
Yes. So they're not gonna make like 12 cards of Carey Price. Jimmy Vesey.
Jimmy VC. I like this because I can see. It gives me a pronunciation,
Yeah.
which I never knew. Who would have known?
That, for this set, yeah.
Alex Galchenyuk.
Not a big fan. I think he's gonna do well coming here. You can be.
I'll be the
Boo
judge of
hoo.
that.
You'll be the judge. Okay. He puts up 40 goals playing with Sid, and you're like, he's terrible. Oh, there you go. There's another new guy that we picked up on the. He's on the
Andre
backside.
Vasilevsky.
Mhm.
Alex Ovechkin.
Checklist.
Kyle Connor. Is that Ilias or Elias? Or
Elias Lindholm.
Elias Lindholm?
And then
Dominic Cahoon.
Cahoon. He's a new Penguin too. We traded only Mata for him. I like any kind of change that to the Penguins, and you're like,
I don't like change.
we could get out to Ovechkin, and you'd be like,
Oh,
terrible.
Riley Smith. Bo Horvat.
There, you got a goal script. Oh, great. Jacob Voracek, that.
Who the hell's that?
You know, Voracek's good, but he plays for Philly.
Oh,
It's,
just throw
what's it
that
number? I'll
out.
flip it over. I think it's their number, aren't they?
102.
No, that's the card number. Are they numbered on the front? Maybe. Usually gold scripts are numbered. No, they're not numbered. Okay, that's kind of weird. I thought they'd be numbered.
Jonathan Huberdeau.
Huberdeau. Close enough.
Brent Burns.
Yep. His luscious beard. Artemi
Panarin.
Artemi is his first name.
Connor
Hellebuck.
Hellbuck.
Hellebuck. The Y side.
How? What?
Hellebuck.
Hallebuck.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
There you go.
Austin Matthews. Tyler Seguin.
Sagan. Close enough.
Paul Stastny.
Yep. His dad and two uncles were pretty good. Dad's a Hall of Famer.
Thomas Tatar.
Thomas Tatar. Is that guy? Ever seen that video? That kid? Thomas Tatar. He does.
Timo
Timo.
Meyer.
Yep.
Zach McGowan.
He's a wreck. That's a rookie. And there's Nino Niederreiter without the puzzle back. See, it's just a normal one.
Justin Schultz.
Yeah.
David Riddich. Maybe.
Nazem Kadri. You don't know
You
his name?
act like I'm supposed to know this.
Well, I figured you know Nazem Kadri. He just got
Nazem
he just got
Kadri,
traded. Never got suspended.
Jonathan Taze.
There you
I
go.
know how to say that
shiny
one.
that one is.
Toes.
Net Crashers insert.
Ryan Murray. Jamie Benn. Morgan O'Reilly. Ryan O'Reilly.
Conn Smythe winner.
Rudolph's Balsers.
Well, look on the back. How you pronounce these? A rookie. Rudolph's.
Wait, you can't see that. Rudolph's Balsers.
Silver script rookie. There you go.
John Klingberg. Zach Werenski. Why am I failing at this? It's really hard.
Because there's only 5 cards in the pack, so it's like nothing to grip. You don't know that? Matthias Echo.
Oh, I thought it was Mateo.
Mateo.
Dylan Strome.
Mm-hmm.
Ben Bishop. JT Miller.
Yep.
Josh Anderson. Oh, I thought it was somewhere else.
Next to last. Alright.
Just go back on me.
Yep.
Alexander Radulov.
Radulov, yep.
Charlie McAvoy. Gabriel Landeskog. I recognize that name. Michael Granlund. Ryan Sutter.
Mm-hmm. Last pack here, stack here.
Jeff Skinner. Matt Niskanen. Trent.
That kid again. I pulled him in that rack pack.
What?
That's the rookie I got out of that rack pack.
Where's there a rookie?
He was. That's not in the stack you have. It's in the one I opened the other day.
Oh. Nicholas Backstrom. My cards are going everywhere. Travis Konechny.
Mm-hmm.
Is that right?
Yeah. Oh, watch nothing come out of my stack. This mess.
Luck, dear.
We'll see on the second half. Should get 2 of those. What are they?
Huh?
The retro. Should get 2 of those.
I did?
They should get 2 a box.
Oh.
It's like 1 in every 10. There's 21 packs.
First Oilers player I've seen.
This is terrible. These are a pain.
I told you, they're hard.
Wow. Alright. Darnell Nurse.
Nurse.
Nate McKinnon.
Who's that?
Colin Blackwell. At the Stanley Cup edition. Matt Zuccarello. And Ty Ratty. So what was you had? I don't even remember what yours was.
I have no idea. No one has stood out.
It was one of the Knights. Alexander Wenberg. Mark Giordano. Silver strip of Corey Crawford. Andre Burakovsky. And Ryan McDonough. You know he had to retire. Because his back. Something's back. So he has some kind of disease. Like this. What's it called? Like. Not disintegrate. What's the word I'm looking for?
Degenerative?
Yeah, that's it, yeah. Zach Parise, Ricard Raquel, and those sweet 25th anniversary jerseys. Anders Lee, puzzle back, let's see. I'm guessing that's going to be Nate McKinnon.
You think?
Yeah, probably. Josh Morrissey, Brady Tkachuk. Tkachuk, as he would say.
Aw. Girox sucks.
Jeff Carter. Yevgeny Dadonov. There's Connor McDavid finally. Linus Olmark. And Claude Giroux. You can't stand Claude Giroux.
I don't stand.
If he didn't play for
That guy behind us kept saying Girox sucks. Girox
if he didn't play for Philly, I really like him. Brooks Orpik, he just retired. Shane Gostisbehere, old ghost. Alex Tuck. Tuke. Elias Pettersson. The old New Jersey Devil. Great. We get to see Pico Subban all the time now. Yeah. Patrice Bergeron. Andreas Athanasiou. Yeah.
Good thing I didn't get that
Sam
one.
Reinhart. Andrew Shaw. Oscar Klefbom. Carter Hart. Taylor Hall. Nick Ritchie, Silver Script. Matthew Tkachuk. Got both Tkachuk brothers. And Matthew Barzell.
I didn't even know there were 2 of them.
Yeah, and their dad is a Hall of Famer. Or should be a Hall of Famer. 500 goal scorer. We'll see if he gets in. Oh, there you go. Your boy. Anders Lee, the normal one. Cam Atkinson. Kevin Boyle, rookie. John Carlson. And you're okay.
Thank
Clayton
you.
Keller. Gone. Miro Heiskanen. Mark Scheifele, and Supernovas of Nico Hischier. Just swirl there. Tyler Toffoli, and Brendan Gallagher.
Last one.
Last pack. I think we're going to strike out on pulling Cale Makar or Philip Zadina. Alright, Johnny Boychuk, TJ Brody, Justin Schultz, puzzle back. I'm going to see what the puzzle is later. Charlie Coyle, Mike Hoffman. Here's the guy with the whole Erik Karlsson ordeal. Let's see what the puzzle back is.
Austin.
Matthews, I would guess, or Marner. Who do you think it is?
I don't know. A Leafs player?
It's a Leaf, I would guess. Or could it be Tampa Bay?
Are they all blue like that?
Yeah, it looks like a Leaf. Schultz puzzle back. So, all right, that's it. No, you're Clayton Keller. You're gonna call that.
I'm gonna keep
You're
it
gonna
to this side.
you're gonna claim that one.
Yeah, it's mine.
So, all right. I think this is an all right. I don't know. You open another box of these?
No.
Nah, I'm not. They're all right, but
The packages suck.
yeah, but I don't know. The puzzle backs are kind of cool. I like the throwback. 99, 2000 Stanley Cup edition, but other than that, it's nothing too exciting. So there you go, and we will see you next time.